It looks like Samsung is finally ready to give us a fresh new look with the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra. Since the S22 Ultra, Samsung's Ultra phones have kept it clean with a minimalist, camera island-free rear design, but that might finally be changing. According to longtime leaker Ice Universe, Samsung could be going back to a raised camera island on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now, to be clear, this is still speculative, but Ice Universe just shared a fan-made render that he believes is probably close to the real thing. While he's not 100% confident, he's pieced together enough info to say that this might be where Samsung is headed. The concept shows a redesigned rear with a slightly raised area housing 3 of the 4 rear cameras, the main, ultra-wide, and the 5x telephoto, but this isn't just change for the sake of change. According to ICE, Samsung is reportedly using new camera hardware, specifically larger apertures for the main and 5x telephoto lenses. Larger apertures let in more light, which is great for low-light shots, but they also mean physically larger lenses. And if Samsung tried to keep the old design, those cameras would stick out awkwardly up to 3mm in fact, which would give the phone a weird look. So, the raised island is partly a functional move to make that camera bulge less jarring and partly a visual refresh. Interestingly, this new design also makes the S26 Ultra look more like the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which hasn't given up its camera bump either. Honestly, the current Ultra design has been around for a while, and it's starting to feel a bit stale, so this could be a welcome refresh. Externally, we might not see many other changes, but under the hood, things are looking promising. The S26 Ultra is expected to feature improved battery and charging specs, and of course, it'll be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 for Galaxy. With that said, what do you think about the potential redesign? Are you into the new camera bump, or would you rather Samsung stick with the flat look? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think. And if you want to stay up to date with all the latest Samsung news and leaks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.